Hello everyone, this is David Cox, lead meteorologist with your National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi, with a weekly weather briefing for the Arklamis region for September 5th, 2023. The highlights for the briefing this week: we're expecting increasing heat stress around midweek. We'll also go over the rain and storms, with some possible along and west of Interstate 55 midweek, an expected pattern change that will bring a frontal passage and rain and storms late week. Near seasonable temperatures and drier conditions are expected in the wake of the front into next weekend. We'll look over the rain expected this week and some of the recent rainfall, some of the drought concerns, and the tropical outlook. Increasing heat stress is expected midweek, especially across the northwestern delta on Wednesday and along the Highway 84 corridor on Thursday. This is all in advance of that frontal passage later in the week, with increased rain and storm chances. High temperatures will peak into the upper 90s with heat indices into the 105 to 110 range. The main things to take away is to stay hydrated, take frequent breaks if you have to work outdoors, and try to avoid strenuous outdoor activities if possible. Rainfall expected this week is expected to be light, generally less than 1/4 of an inch. Which really will not make much of a dent in our drought concerns. However, we have had some recent observed rainfall yesterday on Labor Day across the northwestern delta. Some observed totals were around 1 to 2 inches. So those were the lucky areas to receive rainfall, but unfortunately, a good portion of the area still are having drought problems. So as mentioned before, the current ongoing drought is severe to extreme across the southern portions of the area, with only some minor relief across northwest portions of the region on Labor Day yesterday. So the forecast this week, we are expecting rain and storms and above normal heat possible in the west midweek before a pattern change front with more scattered storms and seasonable temperatures late into the week. So the National Hurricane Center tropical outlook this week, there are 3 disturbances being monitored. 2 had a high potential for tropical development, including Tropical Depression 13 that just formed this morning. Right now, there are no concerns for the Gulf of Mexico during this time. So in summary, we looked at the increasing heat stress, the rain and storms this week, pattern change with increased rain and storms late week, more seasonable temperatures and drier conditions into next weekend, the forecasted rain expected and the recent rainfall, the continued drought concerns, and the tropical outlook. So thanks for viewing this weather briefing. These are usually conducted on Mondays and sometimes on Thursdays. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please contact us at the number provided or on social media.